getting brick money. Been around the lifers, I spent years in the state prison. Nothing nice to boast about. I had to shut Motor Mouth. What that cold about? He only blood on the come out. Yeah, that was me, like I hit lottery. Every move like Monopoly. Collect every property. Bitches wanna holler now, just so they can swallow now. Dick in the mouth, I tell her I'm getting money now. I'm never funny style, forever stunting child. They be like, real, you crazy, you crashed 100,000. I got the best hand, knowing the foe. Plus I'm straight gangster, and you already know. Don't get shit twisted and tangled. Don't let these niggas get your neck twisted and strangled. Just the other day, this nigga asked me if I know some nigga. I turned around, told him nah, keep banging, nigga. I'm in these streets like potholes, ready to rob all these rap niggas. But I keep forgetting I got dough, and an asshole full of parole. Thanks to that snitch nigga, he opened up a can of worms, misled the world. Harlem, you heard? Now we got a gang of birds, and them flu-like symptoms is in the air. And these young niggas coming up should be aware.
See, I took the position, I made up the oath. No amount of dope could ever divide the truth. So if you ain't rollin', nigga, then be riding over you. Take a couple steps back is what I would do if I was you. Niggas salute and tip they hat when I'm sliding through, gliding in the coupe. Cause they respect power when they see it, and they know I give hot leg showers when I bring it. Shit, I was born without a screw in my cuckoo brain. I got a bunch of hungry thugs ready to shoot you lame. They put more nines in their boxes than Sudoku games. Short fuse, no rules, just kill, make moves. Too real, too ill, fuck that, you chill. I'm about to make them more mad at me, cause my team was executing each and every strategy. And I'ma make sure that we smarter than the rest, go harder than the best. And if they charge us large slugs in their chest, he got a vest, then take off his head. Jay Holiday his ass, put him to bed. Yeah, it's lights out, nigga, you heard what I said. Top notch, bitch, Hermes, Gucci bread, Louis Vuitton though. Turn the dollar into 100,000. Pronto beyond your wildest dreams. I come up with the wildest schemes. Disastrous chess master, bitch. Now who the fuck wanna challenge me? Nobody.